What if I told you that becoming financially free has nothing to do with luck, crypto, or working 80-hour weeks? In fact, the wealthiest people often look completely average. They're your neighbor, your coworker, maybe even the guy making your coffee. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how normal people quietly build wealth and how you can too. Stick around, because this probably isn't what you think. Let's rewind to the 1990s. Two researchers studied the habits of American millionaires and wrote a book called The Millionaire Next Door. What they discovered blew people's minds. Most millionaires weren't living in mansions or driving luxury cars. They lived in modest homes, drove used cars, and looked completely normal. Basically the opposite of reality TV stars. They were just regular people with one powerful habit. They quietly let time and money do the work. Take Grace Groner, for example. She was a secretary who lived in a tiny one-bedroom apartment her entire life. In 1935, she spent $180, a whole month's salary, on shares of Abbott Laboratories, where she worked. For the next 75 years, she never sold. Not during wars, not during market crashes, not even during year 2000, when we all thought the world was ending. She simply reinvested the dividends and lived simply. Dividends are small payments companies give to shareholders as a share of their profits, like getting a bonus just for owning the stock. When she passed away at 100 years old, those shares were worth $7 million, all donated to charity. Many quietly wealthy people live under the radar because they have nothing to prove. Their bank accounts are growing while they're chilling in sweatpants, probably eating leftover pizza, and honestly, living the dream. So, how do normal people quietly build wealth? Most follow a simple system: earn more, spend less, invest the difference, repeat. First up, earn more. No, you don't have to invent the next billion-dollar app or become a CEO. Quietly wealthy people often start with average incomes and gradually grow them over time. They learn new skills to increase their value, negotiate promotions, or change jobs strategically. Start simple side hustles, like freelancing and monetizing hobbies. An extra $1,000 a year invested consistently can grow into tens of thousands over time. One teacher I know made an extra $500 per month just by tutoring online 2 hours a week. Small boosts add up. Next, spend less than you earn. I know groundbreaking advice, but it's the absolute foundation of quiet wealth. It's not about being cheap, it's about spending consciously. Think of it like this. If you earn $100, spend only $80. Automatically transfer the remaining $20 into savings or investments, out of sight, out of mind. No spreadsheet required. But how do you save when life feels expensive? Try house sharing to lower rent. Secondhand shopping instead of buying new. Bringing lunch to work instead of eating out. Swapping your $5 latte for home-brewed coffee. I know. Don't touch my coffee. But hear me out. My homemade brew slaps and costs about 30 cents. One of the biggest traps people fall into is lifestyle creep. You work hard, get a raise, and suddenly you need a bigger TV, a new phone, and a dog with its own Instagram account. Take Mark, who got promoted and leased a $70,000 Tesla because he had to look the part. What no one saw was his $900 per month car payment, $4,000 per year spent on keeping up appearances, and $0 invested. Meanwhile, his coworker Lisa banks her raises, shops thrift stores, and invests the difference. In 10 years, guess who's stressed and who's sipping cocktails on the beach? Hint, it's not Mark. Quiet millionaires avoid lifestyle creep, even when they can afford upgrades. Instead, they ask, does this really bring me joy? Or am I buying it to impress someone who honestly isn't even paying attention? One of the biggest traps is trying to look rich. Designer clothes, expensive watches, most of it is just debt in disguise. Studies show the top car brand among millionaires is Toyota, because nothing screams smart money moves like a 2007 Camry still going strong at 250,000 miles. Think of someone like actor Keanu Reeves. Despite starring in blockbusters like The Matrix, he's often spotted riding the subway and living a pretty low-key life. Now comes to the important step, and the true engine of wealth is investing the difference. Saving alone won't make you rich, especially with inflation quietly nibbling away at your cash like a hamster on a carrot. Inflation is the rise in prices over time, making your money buy less. Quiet millionaires put their money to work. And yes, you can start investing with small amounts. Here's how. Set up automatic transfers to invest regularly in low-cost index funds, like the S&P 500. Instead of trying to pick the next winning stock, you're buying tiny pieces of about 500 of America's largest companies, like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Google. It's basically a financial buffet. Instead of choosing one dish, you get a little bit of everything. Legendary investor Warren Buffett famously bet $1 million that index funds would beat fancy Wall Street pros over 10 years. He won. Consider Ronald Read. He worked as a gas station attendant and janitor. Every Saturday, he'd go to the library, read the Wall Street Journal, a newspaper that focuses on business, finance, and economic news. He invested simply in big, reliable companies that paid dividends, like Johnson & Johnson and Coca-Cola. When he passed away at 92, he left behind $8 million. His family was stunned, because real wealth is silent. It compounds. Which brings us to the quiet millionaire's secret weapon, time. Let's look at two friends. Early Ella invests $50 a month starting at age 20. Late Larry invests $100 a month starting at age 40. Even though Larry puts in twice as much, Ella ends up with far more by retirement because her money had decades to grow. That's the magic of compounding. And if you're in your 40s thinking, have I missed the boat? Absolutely not. Remember, the best time to plant a money tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. Just, water it regularly. One final key, choose your circle wisely and keep learning. Quiet millionaires choose friends who talk about ideas and goals, not just the latest shopping spree. They avoid people who brag about their new Rolexes, while secretly surviving on instant noodles. And they stay curious. They read simple books about money, listen to podcasts, or talk with friends who care about building financial freedom. They don't need fancy degrees, just a willingness to learn how money works. And here's something personal. I'm in my 40s, and this is my very first YouTube video. I spent a month learning everything I could about scripting, animating, and editing. If I can learn something new at this age, so can you. If you're still watching and found this helpful, hit subscribe. It's free. That truly means more to me than you might think. So, here's your quiet wealth blueprint. Simple, powerful, and ready to start today. 1. Track your spending for a week. Most people think they know where their money goes until they actually look. 2. Automate your savings. Even $10 a week adds up. Set it, forget it, and let time work for you. 3. Invest consistently in index funds. Slow, steady, and boring wins the race. 4. Crush high-interest debt first. Credit cards? Attack them like your financial future depends on it, because it does. 5. Cancel unused subscriptions. Check bank statements, app stores, and memberships. They're silent budget killers. That's it. No flashy tricks, no get-rich-quick schemes. Just the real habits that build wealth quietly. Be intentional, stay consistent, and above all, be patient. This isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. And guess what? Slow progress still beats no progress. The hardest step? Starting. So, which step will you start with today? Let me know in the comments. If this helped, share it with someone who needs a little more calm and a little less chaos in their money life. See you in the next one.